So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super awesome. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Tomorrow MMO Nuclear Quest. So this works on iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, I'm pretty poor, but in the mod menu I can actually turn on unlimited coins. So I'm going to turn that on right now, and let's see if the coins go up. So as you can see, I got 2,590. Not really enough for much, but I can feel a modded version will help me. So let's see if the coins go up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this. And bang guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this onto your device. It's super cool, and it works through iOS and Android. So if you guys like to play this game, keep watching, because I'm going to show you guys how to download the modded version. So first thing we need to do is go onto this website right here. So it's called tweakmod.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar, type in Tomorrow, and there it is. So go ahead and press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. They're 100% free, guys, from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. And you can see the Apple and Android logos, so it does work on both, which is awesome. For those of you that have only one device, iOS or Android, it will work on both. So let's see what happened. Alright, so it's loading right now. So just give it a second to load up. Alright. So as you can see, guys, it is loading, and we just need to download some apps. So as you can see, we got all these apps here, so you just want to pick 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11, it's a game, so I could do that. I could do this TikTok, which just says down and run for 30 seconds. Travel Town says reach level 8. So yeah, just do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be all set. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. But that's how I get Tomorrow MMO Nuclear Quest hack for your device.